Galapagos tortoise. Good morning. Who are you?
I'm a Galapagos tortoise. We are the biggest tortoises in the world.
Where do you live?
We live in the Galapagos Islands. These islands are in the Pacific Ocean.
What do you eat?
We eat grass, leaves, and cactus. We have no teeth. But we can bite food with our mouths.
You have really thick legs.
Yes, our strong legs hold up our bodies. Our shells are very heavy.
You're a good swimmer, right?
Not really. Unlike turtles, tortoises mostly stay on land. We like to bask in the sun.
Who are your enemies?
Some humans hunt us, but most protect us. A few animals eat our eggs and babies. We can hide in our shells for protection.
How old are you?
I'm 95 years old. We live for a really long time. I'm going to bask in the sun now. Goodbye.